Hi, welcome to Awkward Hamster. Today I have the unboxing of the Safety1st Ultrasonic 360 degree humidifier. I got this one at Target for $30 because it's one of the top recommended models on Consumer Reports website. And it's also my first purchase of a ultrasonic humidifier. I was looking for one of the traditional filter ones, but it's hard to find those now. And the filters, a lot of times the replacement filters range from $20 to $30 to replace, so I figure I might as well give this a shot. Some people do say that with the ultrasonic models there will be a powdery residue left on the surface. I guess I'll just have to try this out and see for myself. On the box it says it's a quiet operation, variable mist control, 2 360 mist outlets. It's a 12-hour coverage and has auto shut-off. Another reason why I got this over the other models on the Consumer Reports website is that for a $30 model, it includes auto shut-off. Some of the other models on Consumer Reports was like $40, $50 and still did not include that. To me, that's quite important. Well, let's open this up. So as you can see, here's primarily two pieces. Over here, well, I guess this is what they mean by two 360 valves. You can point in two different directions. The valves there. Here's the fill tank. It's just a simple dial. Okay, I'm going to fill this up and see how it runs. I filled the tank with water, and it was pretty easy to just carry around. And as for the base unit, the power button's over here, and on the bottom I can foresee this thing sliding around a lot because the over here there's no rubber stoppers or any grip, so just need to be careful about this. And plug it in. Okay, just turn it on. You see how long it'll take before it produces. That's pretty fast. Well, the unit's only $30. You can get a local Target. Make sure you look for this in the baby section. You won't be able to find this in the humidifier section. I looked. It took a couple trips to Target before they told me that, oh, they separate the baby humidifiers with the other humidifiers. Well, thanks for watching this video. This was the Safety1st Ultrasonic 360 humidifier. I got it from Target for $30. Thanks for watching Walker Hamster. Please feel free to rate, comment, or subscribe.